AI is coming for jobs, but not in the way most people think. Today, I'm going to tell you exactly which jobs are at risk, why, and most importantly, how you can protect yourself starting today. Let's start with the truth. AI won't replace jobs, it replaces tasks. Every job is a bundle of tasks. If most of those tasks can be automated, companies will replace that job. But if your job contains tasks that only humans can do, AI cannot replace it. You might be wondering, is my job safe? We'll cover that. But first, understand this. AI doesn't think, it predicts. It can generate text, images, videos, and even write code, but it cannot decide what's right, ethical, or important. That's the key difference between AI and humans. Now let's break down which jobs are at risk. AI is strongest at repetitive tasks, pattern recognition, data summarization, and drafting content. If your daily work is about producing the same type of output over and over, AI will eventually do it faster and cheaper. Jobs in data entry, basic customer support, and simple content creation are most at risk. Even in those roles, humans can still add value. That's why understanding what AI cannot do is crucial. AI can't replace judgment. Humans make decisions based on context, ethics, and long-term consequences. AI can't do that. Humans provide context, understand why something matters, and take responsibility for outcomes. Humans add purposeful creativity, not just generating content, but deciding which content matters and why. That's the area where humans stay irreplaceable. So how do you future-proof your job? Here are 5 strategies you can start applying immediately. Number 1, become a decision maker. AI can generate options, but you decide which one matters. Companies pay for smarter decisions, not just output. Number 2, master domain knowledge. AI works best with rules, but humans who understand the why behind the rules are irreplaceable. Number 3, add human judgment to every task. If AI drafts an email, you decide the tone, the audience, and the purpose. That's context work no AI can own. Number 4, build communication skills. Clear explanations, leadership, and persuasion are human territory. Number 5, learn how to integrate AI into your workflow, not just use it, orchestrate it. Systems thinking is far more valuable than knowing one tool. Here's a simple self-audit to see where you stand. Do you make rules or follow rules? Do you interpret results or just produce them? Do you solve new problems or repeat the same ones? If your answers are mostly produce and repeat, your role needs adaptation. If your answers are interpret, decide, and strategize, you're on the right side of the AI shift. Most people wait until AI is perfect, but here's the catch. AI doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be good enough to replace repetitive tasks. Companies don't wait for perfection. They wait until AI is cheaper and faster than humans. So the real question isn't whether AI will replace jobs. It's whether you can become someone AI doesn't want to replace. The answer is yes, if you focus on skills AI can't replicate. To sum it up, focus on judgment, context, creativity with purpose, decision-making, and integrating AI into your workflow. Master these areas and your career becomes future-proof. Ignore them and AI will gradually take over the parts of your job that can be automated. If you want a step-by-step 7-day plan to apply these strategies and secure your career against AI, comment future-proof below, and I'll make a follow-up video with actionable steps you can start implementing tomorrow.